Welcome to Biology Tutor. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button to get notifications. Today we are going to discuss about atomic absorption spectroscopy MCQs. There are 25 MCQs in this session. Food Safety Officer book is available with 1000 MCQs from all sections. Contact number is mentioned here. Amazon link is available in the description. First question, which scientist is primarily credited with the development of the modern atomic absorption spectrophotometer? A. Albert Einstein, B. Alan Walsh, C. Joseph Priestley, D. Ernest Rutherford. Which is the answer? Your answer is option B. Alan Walsh. Second question, the principle of AAS was indirectly inspired by which fundamental law? A. Beers-Lambert's law, B. Planck's quantum theory, C. Newton's law of cooling, D. Dalton's atomic theory. Which is the answer? Your answer is option A. Beers' law. Third question, atomic absorption spectroscopy is used to detect metals, non-metals, semi-metals, all of these. Here, which is the answer? Your answer is A. Metals. Fourth question, atomic absorption spectroscopy gained prominence in the food industry for detecting which toxic metal? Cadmium, mercury, lead, all of these. Your answer is option D of these. Fifth question, which other spectroscopic method is most commonly confused with AAS due to similar applications? A. Ultraviolet visible spectroscopy, B. Inductively coupled plasma spectroscopy, C. Mass spectrometry, D. Fluorescence spectroscopy. Which is the answer? Your answer is option B. Inductively coupled plasma spectroscopy. Sixth question, what is the role of the monochromator in AAS? To atomize the sample, to separate the light source into its component wavelengths, to amplify the signal from the detector, to vaporize the sample. Which is the answer? Your answer is option B. To separate the light source into its component wavelengths. Explanation. The monochromator isolates the specific wavelength of light absorbed by the analyte, ensuring that only the relevant spectral line is measured. Seventh question. Which type of light source is typically employed in AAS for element-specific analysis? Tungsten lamp, B. Xenon lamp, C. Hollow cathode lamp, D. LED. Which is the answer? Your answer is option C. Hollow cathode lamp is used. Eighth question. In AAS, the term matrix effect primarily refers to A. The absorption of light by the sample solvent, B. The interference caused by the sample's composition, C. The scattering of light by particulate matter, D. The reduction in detector sensitivity over time. Which is the answer? Your answer is option B. The interference caused by the sample's composition. Food Safety Officer book is available with 1000 MCQs from all sections. Contact numbers are mentioned here. Amazon link is available in the description. You can directly order from this Amazon link. Ninth question, which of the following is the principle of atomic absorption spectroscopy? Radiation is absorbed by non-excited atoms in vapor state and are excited to higher states. P. Medium absorbs radiation and transmitted radiation is measured. C. Color is measured. D. Color is simply observed. Which is the answer? Your answer is option A. Atoms in gaseous state absorbs the radiation and are excited to higher state. Since the higher state is unstable, the atom returns to ground state with the emissions of radiation, which is measured in AAS. 10th question. In AAS, what material is used to construct the cathode in the hollow cathode lamp? A. Tungsten. Option B. Quartz. Option C. The element being analyzed. Option D. Aluminum. Your answer is option C. The element being analyzed. 11th question. In food safety, AAS is preferred for detecting heavy metals due to high throughput analysis, high sensitivity and element specificity, cost effectiveness, resistance to matrix interference. Which is the answer? Your answer is option B, high sensitivity and element specificity. 12th question. Why is a deuterium lamp used as a background correction in AAS? A. It provides a continuous spectrum. Option B. It is more sensitive than a hollow cathode lamp. C. It eliminates stray light interference. D. It corrects for scattering and molecular absorption. Which is the answer? Here answer is option D. It corrects for scattering and molecular absorption. 13th question. What is the main advantage of graphite furnace AAS, GFAAS over flame AAS? A. Faster analysis time. B. Higher sensitivity for trace metals. C. Simplicity of operation. D. Ability to analyze gases. Which is the answer? Your answer is option B. Higher sensitivity for trace metals. 14th question. Which food matrix is most likely to cause matrix interference in AAS? A. Water. B. Oils and fats. C. Grains. D. Beverages. Which is the answer? Your answer is option B. Oils and fats. 15th question. Which chemical modifier is used to reduce interference during GFAAS analysis? A. Magnesium nitrate. B. Sodium chloride. C. Potassium permanganate. D. Ammonium sulfate. Which is the answer? Your answer is option A. Magnesium nitrate. Mixtures of palladium nitrate and magnesium nitrates are regularly used. 16th question. AAS is limited to detecting metals and metalloids because A. Non-metals do not absorb visible light. B. Non-metals lack free atoms in the ground state. C. Non-metals cannot be atomized effectively. D. Non-metals have too high excitation energies. Which is the answer? Your answer is option B. Non-metals lack free atoms in the ground state. 17th question. What is the typical detection range of AAS for most metals? Microgram per liter, gram per liter, parts per million, parts per billion. Which is the answer? Your answer is option D. Parts per billion. 18th question. In AAS, which gas is commonly used in the flame atomizer to enhance combustion? Helium, argon, acetylene, hydrogen. Which is the answer? Your answer is option C. Acetylene. There are two common gas mixtures that are burnt to fuel the flame. They are air acetylene and nitrous oxide acetylene, producing a flame around 2300 degrees Celsius. Air acetylene is suitable for most of the elements. 19th question. What is the primary function of the atomizer in the emission system of AAS? A. To split the beam into two. B. To convert steady light into pulsating light. C. To break large volumes of liquid into fine droplets. D. To reduce the sample to its atomic state. Which is the answer? Your answer is option C. To break large volumes of liquid into fine droplets. Food Safety Officer book is available with 1000 MCQs from all sections. You can directly order in using Amazon link, or you can contact these numbers. 20. What is the primary advantage of Zeeman background correction in AAS? It corrects for chemical interferences in the sample. It minimizes background noise caused by molecular absorption. It increases the sensitivity of heavy metal detection. It simplifies the calibration process. Here option B is correct. It minimizes background noise caused by molecular absorption. 21. The operating temperature of graphite furnace atomizer typically ranges from 200 degrees Celsius to 600, 500 to 1000, 1200 to 3000, 3000 to 5000. This is the answer. Here answer is option C, 1200 to 3000. 22. Why are inert gases such as argon or nitrogen used in the operation of graphite furnace AAS? To stabilize the flame in the atomizer, to prevent oxidation of the graphite tube, to enhance atomization of non-metallic compounds, to improve the resolution of the monochromator. Your answer is B. To prevent oxidation of graphite tube. 23. The limit of detection in AAS refers to the maximum concentration of the instrument can measure accurately, the smallest concentration of analyte that can be reliably detected. See the threshold beyond which signal noise dominates the output, the point at which calibration fails. That limit of detection means the smallest concentration of analyte that can be reliably detected, option B. 24. In atomic absorption spectroscopy, the most strongly absorbed light is called as resonance line, streamline, baseline, stroke line. The answer here answer is option A, resonance line. Next question, 25. This is the last question of this session. In AAS, the graph drawn between concentration versus emission, absorbance versus concentration, absorbance versus wavelength. D, none of this. Your answer is option B, absorbance versus concentration. Thank you. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button to get notification.